XT2 service. Guys have been very excited this morning. Enjoy your ride.
I was the last at Upfield, so like, that's fine. You were looking... Oh yeah. Multiple.
Very excited. Here is your new service and your new train at Flinders Street Station. Here's the new train. Very excited. So excited to be bringing to you this morning. Very excited. This is your new XT2. Guys, this morning, enjoy your ride, guys. Hope you have a great time. All four, and your new XT2.
Did everybody retain your own? No one on the Upfield is actually getting this stuff. Just think one train gets full.
No, this isn't even a regular service, it's an action service.
See? Told you. Yeah. No one's doing this. This is just for us.
I can't believe that worked again.
Hey, I can't believe it. Yeah, what?
The next station is Southern Cross.
So smooth. It's amazing. On the extra trampoline, mate. Right.
Now arriving at Southern Cross.
It's still a bit of trampoline.
Chloe, stop assuming.
It's just they change it for city and services.
Why not? No, we were all like, you they were like, I was looking at me. I think if you put it down,
So here there's a train. It's kind of like a train.
See, I would never lie. I would never lie. I can't make up.
Because he always complains with no toilets at Middle Market. Every time he's there, I say to him, piles of debris will appear on the train.
You can change it upfield. Well, just change it upfield.
It's like nighttime right now.
I was the last at Upfield, so like, that's fine.
We're going to go around the city loop later.
Where do they stable the HDM keys? Is it only in East Pakenham?
I didn't bring my
I haven't been to Dermtap in a while. I think that's the habit of getting absolutely shit-faced on a Monday night. Trey.
I love big praise. Thank you.
You didn't fucking do it. I'm disappointed. Upfield.
Now arriving at Upfield.
Doing development.
Yeah, why are you already reaching for a
Land for sale.
I got like, wow. I can't wait to know the new basement.
I ain't getting out.
Do we have to get out?
No, we don't. No. Yeah, we can.
Wait, dude, this is not a good trade thing. So I handed him a bus this morning. He was like, fuck, how would you put smoke here? Because he was like new to the city or something. So I told him to go to like any black market transaction. And then like, I didn't give him time for the cigarettes.
The next station is Flinders.
Oh, no, the starting point. No, the starting
I could just program them identity and save themselves some trouble.
Guys, I'm not going to make it
Yes, sir.
We're going through the loop. We didn't go through the loop before. Flag stuff? Flag stuff? Yeah. You know, I think I've been to this flag stuff. It's I don't know which it's funny to me. And then you've got how many things the seats are just bolted in place. If you had if I broke my hand, we could bring home the souvenir. So how about this weather?
We're arriving back at Flinders Street after a lovely trip to Upfield and back.
Lovely.
This train will be going out of service. We'll be remaining on the platform for approximately 10 minutes or so. If you wanted to get some last minute photos, opportunity will still be there. Thank you for joining us on the first passenger service for the XT2, and I hope it was a lovely time.
Oh, good.
Now arriving at Flinders Street.
The train will not be coming in at Flinders Street. Let's go!
If XT2 becomes the official, like, this becomes the most popular thing involved, it's going to be so confusing. XT2, XT4.
That's so mean. I would never be mean.
Yeah, to be fair, they're going out of service is now
Yeah, they're gonna pay the train with service.
The XT2 to Upfield and back.
Welcome back. Glad you all got some great time.
It's not like a Siemens where you have to be like a bodybuilder.
Yeah.
They're not very comfy though.
A guy asked me for a photo of me taking a photo. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. Just quickly, if you guys are interested, we're going to have the same service next Sunday.
It's like the weather today.
It's always next week. Oh, they did put it in.
Your next service to departure platform 2 is the 10:52